Initially designed for electrical contractors and smart building integrators, Ampera revolutionizes how projects are planned, managed, and delivered right from the first client meeting, eliminating delays and keeping your projects moving forward seamlessly. Your clients receive accurate project details instantly, right when they need them, saving time, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. This is how projects should work. And with Ampera, it all comes together, ensuring your success from the very first step. Once a few basic project details are set, Ampera takes care of the rest effortlessly. This is the moment where project details are uploaded, which can either be done by a professional or simply hand-drawn. Ampera analyzes the information instantly, turning it into actionable data. Using artificial intelligence, it quickly begins to understand the project. Structural elements, such as walls, room purposes, and their approximate areas are identified and categorized for clarity. If Ampera detects a legend, it will match the corresponding symbols and labels provided, and then proceed to compile a detailed list for each area, specifying the identified equipment and their quantities as indicated on the plan. In the absence of clear labels, Ampera analyzes available elements to determine each area's purpose and generates a list of required equipment based on the country standards and area size, ensuring compliance with local norms. Smaller spaces get essential equipment, while larger areas meet standard and functional needs. This approach ensures compliance while aligning with client requirements such as budget range, key objectives, protocols, brand preferences, color or style, and country-specific standards. All that's left is to start the process. Ampera first checks the local database for products that match the project requirements, then verifies their availability with suppliers to ensure stock and compatibility. This stage ensures that only available in-stock products are included. If needed, products can be manually deleted, added, or replaced based on individual preferences. Once the client approves and confirms, products are automatically reserved and held by suppliers for a short period, ensuring availability and price stability while awaiting client payment. Ampera also includes the option to calculate the equipment required for the electrical panel, covering both KNX systems and the rest of the installation, ensuring proper dimension, protection, and compatibility. It starts with the electrical load schedule, identifying loads and determining operating and peak values. Next, it configures circuit breaker sizing, setting ratings, and selecting the main breaker. For KNX actuators, it calculates channels, selects models, and allocates the necessary space. Finally, it completes the main distribution board setup, calculating and organizing all the required components. This includes determining the necessary dimensions, space allocations, and equipment types to ensure everything fits and functions properly within the system. Following this, Ampera provides 4 options. Add the necessary items for the electrical panel to the final project, download the project and electrical panel documents, synchronize the KNX project with the Ampera ETS app, or download the KNX project file. This is where everything is finalized into a complete version for the client. This summary includes all the necessary products and details for project validation. It includes the brand, price, quantities, product descriptions, and additional relevant details. This final deliverable is not only a proposal, it transitions your project into a blockchain-powered process, ensuring validation and security at every step. Once approved, smart contracts take over, automating the workflow and ensuring precise coordination across all parties involved. Whether it's placing orders with suppliers, scheduling on-site execution, programming technical systems, ensuring accountability, safe payments, or tracking milestones, Ampera ensures every aspect of your project starts smoothly and stays on track, delivering results with efficiency and transparency. These are some of the key advantages enabled by blockchain integration. Blockchain powers Ampera with accountability and privacy at its core, ensuring transparency without compromising the confidentiality of your data. Blockchain technology secures transactions by protecting payments, ensuring a safe and transparent process for all parties involved. Tying payments to verified milestones through smart contracts ensures professionals are paid on time and clients gain peace of mind. By certifying installations to meet energy efficiency standards, Ampera opens the door to government incentives like carbon credits, promoting sustainability across every project. Long-term maintenance partnerships are fostered, ensuring reliable system performance and lasting value for all stakeholders. In conclusion, Ampera redefines how construction professionals approach their work by addressing real industry needs. Designed to solve time-consuming tasks, disconnected tools, and inefficiencies in workflows, Ampera transforms how projects are planned, managed, and completed. Ampera, building faster, smarter, and greener.